time I ask people if they have watched any short films recently, they always talk about the popular ones, the stuff everyone has already seen. Like we never really talk about the good ones that fly under the radar. Hi, this is Mowgli and welcome to World of Mowgli Reviews. These 5 YouTube short films are sharp storytelling under 30 minutes. This proof that they do not need a feature length for a gut punch. Like all are tight, well crafted and twist driven. Number 1 we have Neema Gimanake, a Kannada psychological mystery thriller which starts with a kidnapping and ends with a question that lingers. This is written and directed by one of my follower Dhananjay, who has also acted in it. Story follows Diwan, who was kidnapped by a stranger named Gaman on his birthday. And what follows is a slow burn duel of identity and intent. No loud scares, just a creeping sense that nothing is what it seems. The final frame asks who really is Gaman, and you won't have a comfortable answer for that. I really like that how beautifully Dhananjay tried to give a social message in the form of suspense. This short film has been officially selected by Egyptian American Film Festival 2025 and nominated in Ahmedabad International Film Festival 2026. The winner for Kalaburagi International Film Festival 2025 as well as May International Film Festival 2025. Atmospheric tension and the script respects the audience intelligence. Watch this for the social message and strong performances. Available on YouTube in Kannada language with English subtitles. Number 2 we have Not a Lullaby, a Malayalam thriller by Ritin Saj. The title itself is the first clue. This isn't comfort, it's quite devastation. With restrained visuals and minimal dialogue, the film explores childhood trauma and emotional neglect. Ritin Saj directs with maturity is beyond his years and let the silence and framing do the heavy lifting. Ritin bro, I had no idea you were an advocate, but you are a masterclass director. The BGM, the direction and the cinematography were all top class work. It builds unease without forcing it, that you feel heavier after finishing it. Well, that is the point. Subtlety as a weapon, prove that restraint can hit harder than melodrama. Available on YouTube in Malayalam language with English subtitles. Watch this and you will not regret it. 3 we have Necho, written and directed by SD Dey and co-written by Ms. Datta and Laughter Sen himself. Being from West Bengal, Laughter Sen is my favorite regional creator. Like he create highly relatable slice of life stories and my mother is the biggest fan of his work. Necho is a YouTube series that mixes comedy and mystery without losing balance. Regular guy's life gets derailed with odd incidents and stranger people. Starts light but tightens the screws episode by episode. Writing is sharp, the casting feels real and every cliffhanger earns your next flick. Natural performances and pacing that never sags. Big budget impact on indie scale. You can watch this on YouTube as well as Laughter Sen's Instagram handle in Bengali language with English subtitles. Watch this if you really like relatable content. Number 4 we have The Dinner, written by Kulvinder Singh and directed by Purnendu Shekharkar. It begins as a simple meal, becomes an ironical chess match. Escalating tension built through dialogue framing and what's left unsaid. Kaur paces it perfectly. Every silence matters. Scenes of trust and deception unfolds with a twist that lands clean. Screenplay and cinematography do serious work here, intelligent writing, and the climax that pays off. If you like suspense that's done right without overstaying its welcome, this one is for you. This is available on YouTube in Hindi language. Last but not the least, we have Blueberry Inn, a Malayalam thriller by Pavi Paul. Confined space thriller set inside a secluded lodge after a writer's murder. What makes it work is how every guest becomes a viable suspect. Direction is confident, the tension never dips, and the cinematography, well, it turns the lodge itself into a pressure cooker. Backed by a score that enhances its overpowering, delivers production quality that punches above its runtime. Smart use of a single location, natural performances, and a mystery that actually pays off. This is available on YouTube in Malayalam language with English subtitles. If you like fast-pacing story and tight screenplay, this one is for you. 5 languages, 5 tones, but one truth. YouTube short films are making some of the smartest cinemas. Neema Gimanake for the mind game, Not a Lullaby for the emotional gut check, Blueberry Inn for the classic wouldn't it done right, Necho for the binge-worthy mystery comedy, and Save the Dinner for the short-form suspense. Pick one, but I'm sure you will stay for all the 5. So which one you're going to watch first? And for more such videos, follow me.